Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can tag you in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it usually opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we can just swipe to the right and scroll down, and under settings and support, tap on settings and privacy. Now we scroll down again and tap on privacy and safety. Here at the top under your X activity, we find audience and tagging. If you tap on this, at the bottom, we find photo tagging. Here, if we tap on this, we can set who can tag us in their posts, and we can choose either from anyone can tag you, only people you follow can tag you, or just turn it off so nobody can tag you. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.